I'm excited for my 1977 bullet train ride from Tokyo to Kyoto. I'm looking forward to the fastest and smoothest train ride in the world. Time is crucial to Japanese culture. Trains always run on time. The bullet train enters the station like a giant anaconda, emerging from the swampy undergrowth. This was to be the highlight of my study tour through Asia. I'm a recent urban planning graduate taking in life beyond Australia. I board the train which slowly egresses from Tokyo Station heading south. Japanese engine since World War II. Inside there are mainly Japanese salarymen travelling for business. I look a bit out of place with my student jeans and long hair. There are huge picture windows allowing wonderful views. The train picks up speed to 200 km per hour. If you don't look outside, you might think the train is not moving. Residential apartments and stationary trains flick past. The ticket was expensive for a student, but money well spent. Travelling at 200k is impressive enough, but ... Passing a train going in the opposite direction is mind-blowing. Two trains passing at a combined 400k per hour. Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. Something of a disappointment to reach my destination so quickly. So why Japan and not elsewhere at that time? Japan has a high population density over a relatively small area. Australia and elsewhere have more dispersed development. In US and Australia, air traffic is the fast inner-city transport. Note the engineering precision of the train entrance to the platform. No ramps or steps required. In design, form follows function. The sleek appearance and impressive nose reflect the speed. There is another story of the bullet train. A 1975 Japanese movie worth watching. The bullet train of a runaway train. The train has a bomb on board and can't stop. Needless to say, passengers were a bit excited. Please subscribe for more great journeys through time. Click the bell icon and comment. You know the drill.